Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And in today, here we have the area of interest in the Atlantic. Not really doing much, but they have gave it a 30% chance of formation in the next 5 days and a 10% chance in the next 48 hours. Northern Gulf of Mexico. A broad trough of low pressure currently located over the northern Gulf of Mexico is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Gradual development of the system is possible if it can remain offshore while it meanders near the northern Gulf of Mexico through the end of this week. Regardless of development, heavy rains will be possible along portions of the northern coast of Louisiana and Florida and the Florida Panhandle over the next several days. For more information about the potential for heavy rainfall, please see products issued by your local weather service office and weather prediction center. And then that's not all that we have today, guys. We have this low pressure, but yet Darby has done it again and became a major hurricane. It became a major hurricane, basically. I clearly think that this is 130 miles an hour now, because that's what it's going to be doing. Well, that's a good perfect of the cone. Here is Hawaii, so when it crosses the international date line, it must be here when it crosses it. So that it will go into the Central Pacific, basically just die off in the CPAC. But it is 125 miles an hour, maybe even 135, maybe even 140, like that. But this storm is looking gonna satellite imagery. I'll show you satellite imagery. Guys, here is satellite imagery of the system. It is looking beautiful. It is trying to get some bands of -70 wrapping around its eye. But as you can see, this is basically the track for it. One sec. It's basically here. Basically that's the track for it. But it's going a bit more south than that. There we go. And that's the storm track right there. You can see it's an annular storm. It doesn't have any outflow bands whatsoever. It may be developing some here, but this is just annular characteristics. The eye is 17 degrees plus, which is kind of crazy, because that can support a major hurricane. But the eye is just so consistent. On visible high-res satellite imagery, this storm looks so good on high-res. Look how good. It's filling up a little bit, but you can basically see inside of the ocean. But you can see the eye. You can see the eye over here when it was over here, and it basically crossed. See, it's moving north. Because look. Mark a circle there, mark a circle here. Draw a line to there. Watch. moves north. You see, it ends up being down here. Moves north slightly, about a degree north. It's about 14.8, 14.9 degrees Celsius east, and 124.5 degrees west. But as you can see, this storm is looking so beautiful. Good looking storm. It's a nice storm. Breathing well. The only downside is there's a lot of dry air over here, which is basically suppressing it from becoming kind of a pretty strong storm. But we all know how this can turn out. Like Felicia last year, if you guys are from my main channel, you will know that we have Felicia from last year, round about the same time, I think it was later, where it became a category 4. The eye looked pretty much what it looks like now. But if you have a look on Dvorak is basically saying it wants an eye, but the eye looks like it's shrinking on Dvorak. If you have a look here, let me just see. If you look on Dvorak, it looks like it's kind of shrinking, and it's basically it's just doing that. It doesn't look like it's moving north on Dvorak. On satellite imagery, looks like it's moving north. I will show you the water vapor. Water vapor. There is no dry air. People keep saying there is dry air around this system. There is not. The only dry air that there is basically up here. There's a bit of dry air here, a bit of dry air here. But other than that, it's moist around the whole entire system. Basically, the whole of this bit is moist. So any storms that go over here in the warm water, they could really explode in intensity. As you can see, that eye is beautiful. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Another update will be coming out tomorrow, when hopefully any changes to this system, I'll do an update. But I personally 100% agree that this is a category 4. I personally agree. I even think it could be a Cat 5, but that's a bit bullish. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Pacific waters are kind of hot where it is right now. La Nina's going down, which is not that good. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys all in tomorrow's video, or later. I shall see you all in soon. Stay safe from this storm in Hawaii. Stay safe. God bless you all, and have a great day, and peace out.